Hi, this is Darby from rejoiceandcreate.com. Thanks for stopping by today. Well, we're continuing on with the 6x6 series called Not Your Ordinary 6x6 paper series. So let's get right into today's project. Alright, so the next project in the Not Your Ordinary 6x6 inch paper series is a Tootsie Roll Pop holder. And I like to create these because it gives me a little bit bigger area for my sentiments, because I like to have some big sentiments that pop, especially for a classroom or coworker or any other celebrations that I want to have and create a favor for. And it also will use up a 6x6 inch paper pad. Alright, so let me get my scoreboard up. Okay, so what you need is a 6x6 inch piece of paper, and for this one I am using the Holiday Cheer by the Paper Studio because it's nice and bright and I can make a nice kids treat for the children's classrooms. Alright, so we're scoring it on the diagonal, and I'm going to score a set amount from each diagonal. So I'm lining my diagonal up on the mark that I've created on my 6-inch line. Now if you're doing this on a scorer trimmer, then all you do is move the diagonal off 5/8 one way, off 5/8 the other way. But I am going to just keep this on my 6-inch line, and I'm going to score both ways 5/8 of an inch. So I'm on the 6, I'm going up to the 6 5/8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 down. Okay, we'll turn it and do the exact same thing on the other diagonal. These go very quickly. You can make a whole bunch of them all at once. And use up your stash of 6x6 inch paper. Alright, so let's go ahead and fold and burnish our score lines. Alright, so as you can see, we have 4 triangles, one on each side, and then we have 2 intersecting areas. So what we're going to do next is to cut a line right from the side in the center to that intersection of those 2 score lines. Now if you want to make it exact, just go ahead and push these 2 sides together and pinch this, and that will give you the middle of this side so you can cut it straight. I am just going to eyeball it. Okay, now decide if you have a front or a back. If you don't, like I do, mine's kind of a general pattern, I'm just going to pick 2 opposite ones and I'm going to cut off these corner triangles. Okay, so next I'm going to take these, I'm going to fold these points on the sides towards each other and fold these sides together. Not all the way down, maybe about 2/3 of the way down, because I'm just creating a V to fit my pop stick in. Same on this other side. It just helps hold the pop stick upright. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to put some of this in. You could use glue dots. This is just going to hold the pop stick upright because I'm going to put this in there. I'm going to put my pop there, and I'm going to center and surround these 2 sides. See, I'm folding them over each other just to secure the pop stick in place. Next I'll do is fold these 2 up on these front and the back, and I'm going to punch a hole on either side of this to hold it all together. I have some twine. I'm just doubling it up to make it a little bit thicker. And I'm going to put it down from the front to the back on one side. Bring it around the back. And put it up on the other side. And then I'm going to tie it in a bow. Alright, so you can leave the sides straight, or what I did on one of them was actually just curl them around so they touch each other a little bit. Front and back. And then I put my sentiment on, and I went ahead and created it already so you wouldn't have to wait. And of course this one's for Christmas, and it's to celebrate with a little nativity. And this nativity came from Tailored Expressions. It's Nativity, item number TE969. And I'll just center that on my pop. So I hope you enjoyed the Tootsie Roll Pop holder, the next project in my Not So Ordinary 6x6 paper series. You can use up a lot of paper creating favors for classmates or coworkers, and it gives you a nice area to create a wonderful sentiment. So I hope you enjoyed this project and give it a try. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to be notified of new videos as they're uploaded. For more information on this project and others, please visit rejoiceandcreate.com. And as always, until we meet again, I hope your days are blessed. Bye!